Okay, so in this section, you're going to be looking for a spider with either one or two types of proteins for venom, depending on which partner you are. So, to do that, in the sim, once you have your spiders, you just have to make sure that you have venom selected. So go ahead and select venom. And then, we want to just click on the spiders and look at their proteins. Alright, so I look at Greg. I want to see which proteins he has. I'm looking in, the only protein I see here is protein 2. So Greg only has one type of protein. So if I was partner A, I could use Greg or any other spider where I only see one type of protein. Partner B, you want one that has two of these in there. So let's see if we can find one. Let's see, Zora's all look the same. Leo's all also look the same. Let's see, Ruby has some different ones. So if I look, I see Ruby has protein 2 and protein 1. So if I was looking for one with two different types of proteins, I could use Ruby. Right? So you don't have to use the ones I told you. You can go ahead and find your own, and then you'll just write those in for your spot. And then after, with your partner, I want you to try to explain why one spider only makes one type of protein, and then the other makes two. So to do that, I want you to just explore this page for each spider and look for what's different. So what is causing them to have different proteins? All right, that's what I want you to figure out. Now, mission 2. You're going to work with your partner to change the spider's genes so that they both have the same proteins for venom. So you need to change something so that way they both have the same proteins. So we're changing the genes. In order to do that, right here, these are the gene versions, V1 and V2. So you can actually go in here and change them. So if I wanted my spiders to all have V2, I would put V2 and V2. That's the change I made. And then on the other partner spider, you would make sure they also have V2 and V2. Whatever you do for one of these, whatever this looks like for one of the spiders, your partner should do the same thing on theirs. And then, number 4, you'll write down what you had to do to give them the same proteins, so what you did in the sim. And then number 5, how did this change affect the spider's traits? So when you change this gene version here, what happened to the trait here? All right. Good luck.